Hey y'all, it's Captain Shane, Grippingless Fishing. I know it's been a while since we put out a video. So what are we doing today? Well, I ran all the way from Myrtle Grove, Louisiana to Grand Isle, Louisiana. It's normally not that bad of a run if you don't have any wind. Well, today we have wind, y'all. It was kind of a rough trip, but here's the deal. This area right here behind me is very shallow, but it has a lot, or at least had, we're gonna find out today, had a lot of giant bull reds in this area and big old huge black drum. One other thing, my lithium battery for my trolling motor broke. One of the cells overheated and the battery actually cracked. So I'm gonna be having to pole the boat today and fly fish at the same time, which is gonna be kind of weird, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna try to do it. So let's get started, y'all. If it's your first time on the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and thank y'all for watching. Alright, we got him. Giant black drum. Giant black drum. Giant black drum. Giant black drum. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Not exactly what we came for today. We came for bull reds, but this is fun anyway. He could not resist that plantation crab. That's the name of the fly. That plantation crab landed next to him, he turned and scooped it up. Got him, y'all. God, please. Big fish. He smoked that fly. There it goes. Barely hooked, nothing wrong. Fish not hurt at all. You ready to see this big old joker? Golly. That's him, y'all. He's got a bunch of mud on him. I'm getting back in the water. There's two right here. Got it. It's not a bull. He's probably 20 something inches. He's not a bull red. He thinks he's a bull red. He thinks he's a bull, but he's not a bull. Come here now, come here. He thinks he's a bull. Woo! No, don't slide off the boat. This one's only, he's 23 inches.